Hello everyone, my name is Varun Modi. Here I am representing the progress report on an agent-based approach for modeling dynamic of contagious disease spread. From the publisher model, they have developed model using the SIR methodology for communicable disease in the urban area. To stimulate this model using the NATE-LOGO modified model, I am going to take the following parameters: the latency period, infection rate, recovery rate, average time to recover, and the total population number. As we can see here in the modified publisher model using the NATE-LOGO, we have provided initial population as user sliders, infection rate, recovery time, all as a user slider. So user can modify their inputs to see the effects on the contagious disease spread. In the NATE-LOGO, the black area represents close proximity where all the inputted population will be living in. As you can see, the white symbol represented as a not infected host, red represented as an infected host, and green represent as a recovered person. As we can see in the infection and the recovered graph, infection is spreading quickly if we are not implementing any methodology to stop the spread. And on the left hand side, it shows how the infection has been spread in the population of 100. As you can see here, now I am able to replicate the publisher geographical model into the NATE-LOGO model. Now in this model, I am going to do some enhancement. Will be adding slider for the fatality rate. Also will add the immune host. Also will be adding two methodology to stop the spread. First will be stay in the shelter, and the second will be stay in the apart social distancing. The purpose is to achieve the result close to the real world data. For testing this model, we'll use the data for the SDX COVID-19 for USA and Canada. For the verification, we'll reduce the obtained data in terms of 1000 population to see how the accurate our results are comparing to the real world data. And finally, we'll be comparing and analyzing data with the graph with the real world data for my contagious disease spread model. Thank you.